Owning of wealth. I am telling you, I don't care if you're bankrupt, I don't.
This is an aerial flood warning, issued at 1:42 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Flood warning now in effect until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time this evening. Small stream flooding caused by excessive rainfall continues. Areas affected include a portion of southeast Ohio, including the following counties: Athens, Jackson, Morgan, Perry, Vinton, and Washington. The hazardous weather can be expected until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Impacts: flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations is imminent or occurring. Roads remain closed due to flooding. Additional details: at 1:41 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, local law enforcement reported many roads still closed due to high water. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. Flooding impacts will continue, but no additional rainfall is expected. Some locations that will experience flooding include Athens, Marietta, Belpre, Nelsonville, New Lexington, Gloucester, McConnellsville, MacArthur, Somerset, Beverly, Shawnee, Chester Hill, Perry State Forest, Lake Hope State Park, Crooksville, Newport, Chauncey, Thornville, Junction City, and New Straitsville. Flood safety information can be found at weather.gov/safety/flood. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Report flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 800-401-9535 when you can do so safely. Repeating, the aerial flood warning has been extended until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for the following county: Washington, Ohio.
I will have them in front of the television, in front of the internet. They're going to hear this.